And it's not just technology stocks that investors are buying up, but ETFs as well. Investors plowed, on average, more than $1 billion a day into exchange-traded funds last month. And as Bob Pisani tells us, the trend is expected to continue.
For the ETF business, April came in like a lion and out like a lion. ETF flows, which have been strong all year, continued strong in April. Roughly $42 billion in new money came in, which is roughly the same inflow we've seen every month this year. So the 4-month total is $170 billion. That's the highest ever for 4 months. At this pace, we could have a $500 billion year for inflows, which would be a record. So 3 sectors saw particularly strong inflows. First, plain vanilla ETFs like S&P 500 index funds. Second, flows were strong into European funds. Third, emerging markets saw inflows. And finally, we also saw money flow back into high yield funds even. Everything. So who's losing? Gold miners. After months of strong performance and flows, gold mining stocks funds had outflows. Mexico also saw outflows, a continuation of the war of words between that country and President Trump. So where do we go from here? The ETF business will top $3 trillion in assets under management any day now. It's still a long way from the roughly $16 trillion in assets that the mutual fund industry has, but the trend has been unmistakable for years. ETFs are winning the war. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.